So hey guys, Mr. D.I.Y here with another video again today. Yeah, so today the video I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change what do you call this little thing? There's a little button you press to move the shifter. It's out. I don't know if you guys can see it. See, it's broken. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna change today. Excuse me. So this is the part it came from Amazon. Let me see if you guys can see the numbers, just in case you want to order the part number. Alright, so it comes from Amazon, and that's the video I'm gonna do today. So the tools I need for this, I got a Phillips, and this is a thing, whatever they call them, and this, and the flathead. That's what I got today. I'm gonna use to do this job today. Alright, so to get started, to get the shifter to move, turn the car on a little bit, push on the brake, and the shifter will move. So since the car is not started and I'm gonna need this little area to work, I'm not gonna use the emergency. I'm gonna let it stay down because I'm gonna need this little space right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two Phillips head screwdriver screw out. I'm gonna see them right there. Alright. Sit it right in there. Boom. That come up. See this? That. Alright, so I need to get this part off. Alright, it easily come out. And that's it. I'll put this right in my lap. So there you have that part. Uh-oh. Either way. Alright. We have the part, we have the out. Alright, so they have three parts in here. You got the spring, you got this part, and this other part that to go back over here. So the first thing I want to do is get the spring. The spring sits on that little, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little part inside the way you put the spring over it, so it can hold the spring up. There you go. Then you get this part. Make sure you put this, make sure the spring, let's see, put the spring in, and this little part right here go over the spring. Make sure I get that in. I don't have no that little grease thing that they use to hold it in. So you guys can see it's got some little break off pieces in there that I probably gotta get those out first. See those? I need to get those out first before I put this thing on. See this, and this is my fault. I didn't take the extra pieces out. See, that's an extra piece that was down inside here. I'm gonna wash the car later. See all these little extra pieces, you gotta get those out. All them extra breaking off parts, you gotta get those out. There you go. Now it's fit to slide all the way in. Yep. So now I'm gonna put this. Pick it up. There you go. Alright, I get this little part right here. You put it on over here. You hear that? Push down on it, you hear it clicked into place. Alright. Then I gotta get this part. This part back on here. Alright, I got it in place. Let me take this back off. Got something is not connecting right. There you go. So I finally forgot what the problem is. Alright. Put that back on. Slide that back on. Alright, so there you have it. So let's see. So the mistake I was making with this part, I don't know if you guys can see that it got like a flat side here on this two side, and this two side is round. So I was turning the flat side straight where it's supposed to be, this way. That's the way it's supposed to be. So now when I push this back on here, it go all the way down where it lined up with both screws. So now I'm gonna put the screws back in. I need my screwdriver. Put that screw back in. That is that. Screw that up. And there you have it. There you have it. You guys can see it. Go. So that is that. So if you guys think I did a great job with this video, you already know what to do, man. Share the video, like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to support it. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed day. That is it.